full motivated lesson. Never give up on your dreams. Boldly go into the direction of your dreams. Stand tall and show the world what you are made of. When the world beats you down, find a reason to get back up again. Never give up on the successes. Try, and try again. Feed your mind ideas of successes, not failure. Remember, the only way you can fail is if you give up. Every time you fail, you get one step closer to successes. You are not scared, you are courageous. You are not weak, you are powerful. You are not ordinary, you are remarkable. Do not back down, do not give up. When you look back on your life, don't have regret. Believe in yourself, believe in your future. You will find your way. A fire burning inside you is mighty. It is waiting to burning bright. You are meant to do great things. Following your dreams can be both terrifying and exciting. Courage is facing fear. Fear of failure holds most people back. You are not most people. Persist and persuade others about your plans. As they as royal, nobody can do this but you. Nobody will get in the way of our dreams. Most people master the observers. You create something that was not there before. It's bold, it's beautiful, and it's you. Give it your best, and your dreams will come to life. Success is your go for your dreams. It is your turn.